So, let us talk about the next batch of the problems, number 19 to 21. So, let us start. So, two 32 millimeter thick plate is fastened by 2 bolts. So, 25 mm in diameter. If the plate is subject to 60 kN tension, determine the bearing stress. Tandaan nyo, pag bearing stress, 19, i-drawing natin. Okay? Drawing natin yan. So, magka-overlap sila. Okay? Para magka-overlap. Tapos, nandito yung butas. Okay? What will happen dun sa bearing stress is that para siyang gagawa ng slot. Gagawa siya ng slot dyan. Kapag hinila siya nung isang plate. Okay? Kung ito yung isang plate. Okay? Naghihila. Tapos yung kapal nila magkalap. Okay? So ito yung magiging stress mo dyan. So, meron kang tension na force, tension. Okay? Nahatak. Fastened by 2 bolts. So, dalawa. So, kunwari, isa dito, meron pa ulit isa dito. Yan. So, dalawa. So, ano yung paluluwagin niya dyan? Yung thickness ng plate. Okay? Tapos, yung size ng the bolt. Okay? Pag drawing natin ito nakahiga, okay? Andito yung isa. So, ito yung bolt mo. Ito yung size of the bolt. Magpalagay na lang natin. Yan yung size ng bolt. Nasa gitna. So, stress is equal to force over area. Yung area dito ng slot, simply is, yung diameter ng bolt, kung isinize niyan, yung slot na nandyan is, ito, slot. Ito yung uukain on bearing stress. So, this is the diameter ng bolt times the thickness. Diameter times the thickness ng plate. Eh, yan yung ukain niya eh. So, dito ang kinukuha is the stress. So, force divide by ilan? 2 volts, 2 ng area. Okay? So, stress is equal to force. Ano yung force natin dito? 60 kilonewton. Yung area is twice times diameter ng bolt na 25 mm tapos 32 mm. So might as well divide ko na lang 1,000 para maging meters na. Okay? Yung isa 32 mm thick plate. Okay, 32 divide by 1,000 na kagad. 32 divide by 1,000 para maging meters. So, calculating 60 divide by Ayan. So, millimeter divide by 1,000 para maging meters. Okay? Okay? 2 times 25 divide by 1,000 times 32 divide by 1,000. So, the answer is 375. Basic again. That is basic. Capital B. So, 3,7,500 kilonewton every meter squared. So, that is kPa. Okay? Hawakan ng calculator para makapag-practice ng solving. Next problem for number 20. an 18 millimeter diameter rivet is used to fasten to 25 millimeter thick plate. So dito, shearing stress naman. Iba naman yung shearing stress. Okay? Shearing stress of the rivet is 75 MPa. So ang masisira dyan, ang mapuputol, yung rivet. Hindi yung plate. Okay? Ito naman yung mapuputol. Kapag tinignan mo sa number 20, sa number 20, yung bolt na ginamit mo ang mapuputol. Okay? Dito yung mapuputol. Okay? So, ano yung mapuputol dyan? The area ng shear. Okay? Masisira. So, ano yung shear nito? Diba? This is circular. Okay? So, ito pala ay, ano yung masisira dito? Yung bolt lang, mapuputol. Pag nasa, ano siya, nasa plate. So, S is equal to force over area. Ano yung area na naputol? Okay, area ng shear. So, F is equal, F divided by pi over 4 d squared nung sa bolt. Anong kinukuha mo? Yung force. So, force is equal to pi over 4 d squared times S. So, pi over 4 times diameter ng bolt o rivet. That is 18 mm squared times shear. Ano yung shear mo dyan? 75 MPa. Okay? 75 Newton every millimeter squared. Anong unit ang kailangan? Kilonewton. Times. Okay? Times 1 kilonewton every 1,000 newtons. Cancel same units. 18, okay, sa mm, newton. Newton, ang lalabas kilonewton. So, F is equal to, calculate. So, pi divided by 4 times 18 squared times 75 divide by 1,000. Oh, basic. So, 19.0852 kilonewtons. Okay? Okay, that is the answer. Number 21 tayo. 21. A steel hollow tube is used to carry a tensile load. Okay? Remember the word hollow tube. Used to carry a tensile load of 60 o 600 kilonewtons at a stress of, so carry, pwedeng nasa taas or nasa baba. Wala man sinabing hanging. Okay? So carry, nandito yung load. Pakita natin sa drawing. If the outside diameter is 10 times the tube thickness, determine the thickness of the tube. Okay. Drawing natin. Ayan, yung tube. Okay? Nandito yung load nasa taas. This is pangit ng drawing ko. Okay? Drawing natin maayos. So, if this is your tube, okay? Nandito yung load mo. Okay, the load is 600 kilonewtons. Hanapin mo daw yung inside diameter. Okay, if you will project it, ganito itsura. Okay? This is DO. Okay, yun nandito, nasa gitna, this is thickness. It is said that DO is equal to, okay, 10 times the tube thickness. 10t. Okay? But, alam nyo ba na ang DO, okay, we know that DO is equal to DI plus 2t. Ano ba? So, hollow tube. Okay na yan. So, paano ba yung formula ng stress? Stress is equal to force over area. Okay, the force divided by pi over 4 dO squared minus DI squared. Okay? So, ano yung pwede nating ipasok dito para makancel yung DO? Okay? Pwede bang palitan ko yung DI? Okay? Can we change it? Yung DI is equal to DO minus 2T. Okay? Pero yung DO kasi is 10T minus 2T. So, ibig sabihin mo, yung DI pala is 8T. Okay? So, pwede ko nang palitan dito. Take note of the units. 145, 600,000. Okay? So, S is 145 Newton every millimeter squared. Equal to 4F. Ano yung F mo? 600,000 newtons. Divide by pi times. Yung DO is 10T. Okay? So, 10T squared minus DI 8T squared. Okay? Simplify mo na lang yan. So, 145 Newton every millimeter squared equal to 4 times 600,000. Okay? So, 4 times 600,000. That is 2.4 million. So, okay? That is 2.4 million newtons. Okay? Divide by pi, okay, 100t squared minus 8 times 8, I think that is 64. To be sure, 64. 64t squared. Simplify mo ulit. Pwede bang i-divide ko na yung 2.4 million ng 145? Okay, mamaya na pala. So, cross-multiply ko na lang to. Okay lang ba? So, this will become pi times 100 minus 64. That is 36. 36t squared. I-delete na natin. This will become pi times 36t squared equal to 2.4 million. Cancel mo na yung Newton. 2.4 million millimeter squared divide by 145. Okay? So, pwede bang i-divide ko na rin both sides by pi? Ilipat ko yung pi sa ilalim. So, 36t squared equal to 2400,000. Tapos, 0. Ilipat ko na rin yung 36. Okay? So, ang natira is t squared. Ilan ba? So, 36 pi times 145. Ngayon, para makuha ko yung thickness, t is equal to square root 2.4 million. Okay? So, 36 pi times 145. So, that is, thickness is 12.0975 millimeters. Check nga natin kung ano yung answer. Okay? Pa-suspense pa. Uy! Basic?